Hey, if you run a cleaning business and you're thinking of hiring somebody to set up ads, Google ads for your cleaning business, then you're going to want to watch the rest of this video. Before you hire somebody to set up Google ads for your cleaning business, you're going to want to ask them a couple of questions. Number one, have they ever set up ads for a cleaning business like this before? So if you do carpet cleaning, you're going to want to know if they've done carpet cleaning ads. If you do house cleaning, you're going to want to know if they've done house cleaning ads. And then number two, you're going to want to know, do they do this professionally for other people, and are they getting results for those clients currently? Right? So you're going to want to know not just that they know how to set up a Google Ads account, because sometimes you'll run into business owners who say, oh yeah, I can set up your ad account. No problem. I did it for my own cleaning business. So Venmo me a couple $100 and I'll set up your ad account. That's not who you want to set up your ad account. They might be well-meaning. They might be well-intentioned. They might even be able to set up an ad account for you, but you are unlikely to get results, and you're unlikely to get results in the long term because you've chosen to hire an amateur, basically, an amateur to set up your ad account, right? There is a difference between a professional marketer and an amateur marketer, right? Somebody who does this professionally is a paid marketer, has some experience, some track record of success in order to justify the prices that they charge. That's the type of person that you really want to hire to manage your Google Ads account. And the reason I say that is because Google Ads is a complicated beast. This is not the type of ad account that you're going to set up and manage for yourself if you've never run ads before. This is not the type of thing that you're going to figure out if you're not very tech savvy. And even if you are kind of tech savvy, maybe you set up your own Facebook page, maybe you set up your own Google business profile, that does not mean that you're going to have the same success when you go to set up your Google Ads account. And if you're hiring somebody who doesn't set up Google Ads every single day, every single week for a living professionally for other companies, somebody who doesn't have experience putting their reputation on the line and saying, yes, I can set up your ad account. Yes, I believe that we can get you results. Yes, I know exactly what I'm doing. Yes, I know what to do when I run into an issue. Yes, I know how to troubleshoot problems. Yes, I know how to get you results, even if I don't get good results right away, right? If you're not hiring somebody who has a yes to all of those questions, then you're probably dealing with an amateur and you're probably not going to get the results that you're looking for. So again, I'd highly recommend hiring somebody who has a track record of success running ads for your type of cleaning business before you try to hire an amateur to set it up for you and end up wasting money, time, and ending up frustrated with no results, right? Just a quick bit of advice for anybody who's thinking of running ads for their cleaning business, thinking of hiring somebody to run ads for their cleaning business. You don't need to hire me. You don't need to hire my company, but I do recommend that you hire a professional, somebody who knows what they're doing. And they're going to need access to things like your ad account. They're going to need access to things like your website, your Google Analytics. And if you don't have any of those things set up, then they might have to set up some of those things for you, right? There might be additional costs here. And the person that you're hiring to do your ads, they should know how to set all of those things up for you. If they're asking you for Google Analytics and you don't have it, they should say, great, I'll set up an analytics account for you. If they're saying you need conversion tracking installed on your website, the next thing they should ask is, how do I get access to your website to install the conversion tracking, right? So these are hallmarks, these are signs of an ad professional that you're dealing with. If you're dealing with an amateur, then you may not have all of those issues dealt with. Your ad account might not have conversion tracking. There's all kinds of issues that you can have when you're dealing with an amateur running your ads. So I highly recommend hiring a professional to manage your ad account. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit like. And if you want to grow your cleaning business, hit subscribe. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs. I hope this was helpful, and I'll talk to you later.